In front of me is REALME C73 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit security and privacy. Then scroll again to click on device unlock. Tap on Fingerprint and Face Unlock here and enter your current login method. Then hit Face Unlock section under Ways to Unlock. Tap on More at the bottom right corner and then I agree also at the bottom right corner. Now after you will click Start, you will need to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When it's ready, select Done and go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can start Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!